Good morning there all duck and welcome back to my channel, and for the new guys, welcome recruits. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so I got some exciting news for you guys. I got finally some of the items that I ordered a while back, and for the new guys, that if you guys don't know, I'm actually overseas, so to get stuff and items here that I buy, it's very hard and it takes a while. It might take 2 weeks, it takes 3 weeks or a month just to get it over here. So just remember, I'm the sponsor. Everything that you guys can see here today, all the items here that I got here today, is basically I'm my own sponsor, so I pay my own money. So I'm excited to do these reviews and what's actually coming. So I got some announcements real quick. So the first announcement I want to make for you guys and let you know is that I'm gonna be giving away the Jabras Elite Active 75 teeth for you guys. All right, how's it gonna work? All right, the way it's gonna work, basically I'm gonna announce it in one of my videos, upcoming videos. I'm not gonna let you know when it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen somewhere in the middle of my videos. Once I announce it, the next video following that one, that's when you're gonna be my first 10 commentators that post, my first 10 commentators that post on that video. That's the 10 people that are going to be in the raffle, and then I'm going to pick the winner out of those 10. So if you're watching my videos, at least watch it halfway through, and you'll see when I'm going to go ahead and raffle that. I'm going to announce it, and then I'm going to raffle that for you guys. So stay tuned, watch my videos, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and you guys subscribe if you want to get a free pair of earbuds. Alright guys, for the next thing that I have, what I'm going to be reviewing for you guys pretty soon, I finally got some items, and like I was telling you, some earbuds. Remember, this channel is all about tech, so it could be earbuds, it could be anything else. I know I do a lot of earbuds and headsets because it's easier to get here. But I try to get whatever is trending out there, whatever I like, whatever I think is pretty cool and that I want it. So whatever I'm getting is because things that I want, and hopefully you guys want it too and enjoy it. So if you have anything that you want me to review, let me know what exactly you guys want, so I could go ahead and try to buy it and review it for you guys. So let's go ahead and let me stop talking. Let me show you what I'm gonna be, what's coming up for review. So I've been working for a while. It's been about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. The earbuds, the Samsung earbuds plus. So I'm actually working on this right now, and I'll be doing a review for this pretty soon for you guys. Next, I have the TikTok 2 Pro, and that's another one that's coming up for review pretty soon. We also have the JLads or JBuds Air Executive earbuds, so that's coming for review too, guys. We also have the Firefly 2, and just remember guys, all these items that I bought, they have something that I really liked about it while I was doing my research and reviews and watching videos. So I found them pretty cool, and I want to do a review for you guys. Alright. Next, and I'm actually waiting for this one. I really want to do the review for this one. It's the Sony's WF-SP 800 November for you guys military guys. So very excited. I really want to see the specs and how they perform. And we also have the Soundcore Spirit 2, and I'm working on this one. I'm almost done with the Samsung one, so I'll be jumping on this one, and then I'll be reviewing this one too, guys. And for the most exciting news that I have for you guys is this item right here. I've been waiting for it for a while, and I really want to show you and do the first impressions today, so hopefully we get to it. So and the reason why I ended up buying this item is because I was having issues with my older laptop. So the battery inside my Razer Pro laptop started expanding inside, and so some of the keys, the trackpad, and it's already out of warranty too, because I bought it about like 2-3 years ago. So it stopped functioning. So this is how basically I edit video for you guys, and I do some of the gaming and some of the recording that I do. So well, I needed a laptop quick. So while I was doing some research, I found this laptop, guys, and everything, all the research that I did, all the videos that I watched, it has outstanding specs and performance. So I was like, well, I need something lighter, something I could move around and be able to game and be able to do all my editing. So I found the new Asus Zephyrus G14 laptop. So guys, I'm very excited to go ahead and do the open the box, do the first impressions. I'm not gonna do the review, so the review is gonna follow after this video. And I'm gonna do a month review with this laptop. But I am gonna show you my open. We're gonna do the unboxing and do the initial impressions on this laptop, and then we go from there. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and jump in, do the unboxing, do the first impressions, and we finish this video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump in, ladies. Alright guys, and we're back. So hopefully I could get all this in the video. In the picture, I got limited space here on my desk, but here it goes. Let's go ahead and do the first impressions for the Asus Zephyrus G14, and let's go ahead and wrap it together. I already opened it. The security seal, I already opened it just to verify that the item was that damaged, because I noticed when it came in, it had some cuts right here on the side. So I just want to verify that nothing was broken. So sorry for the limited space that I have right here, guys. But this is where I got everything set up for my videos. So let's go ahead. So I guess it looks like a briefcase. This is how it comes. Pretty nice logo from Asus. All right. Hopefully Spider-Man doesn't get mad. Let's just go ahead and push this and open it. And there it goes, dude. Look how nice that looks. It seems like when you push it, the laptop is actually moving up. That's pretty cool. And let's see if I could show you some of that. There it goes. Oh, oops. Let me show you. And there it goes. That looks pretty nice, huh? So let's keep looking at the laptop. All right. That's pretty nice right there. It actually lifts up. Let's remove the laptop. Comes in this package. Huh, nice. Let's just go ahead and move the laptop right over here while we see what else is inside the box. It's a really nice, well-made box. You could tell that Asus is taking care of you guys. So you got some pamphlets and some manuals, I guess. That's pretty nice of them. Let's go ahead and move this, throw it over here. And what else is in here? There's nothing else. Okay. It seems like we got something right over here. And that's the cable. Cool. I'm actually excited, guys, to turn it on today and use it. I've been waiting for a while to get this item. I was afraid that my other laptop was gonna break. And here it goes, the brick from Asus. That's pretty nice. And I'm not gonna go over specs today, guys, so it's just basically just initial impressions of the item. So that's pretty cool. I don't know why that didn't come together, but not a big deal. And I think that's everything that comes with. Alright, I don't see no more cables. Let's go ahead and close the box. Alright, let's go ahead and move the box over here. Alright. Okay. And let's go ahead and guys, I mean, I know you probably heard it from somebody else, but the laptop is so light and just first initial impression, just looking at the laptop and still within the plastic, it looks beautiful. I love the design. It looks so nice, so light. It feels really good, guys. Like the I can't even describe how the quality feels like, but up close it looks so beautiful. It's a really well made laptop. It almost reminds me of a nice, it almost looks like Apple's laptop. So it's really nice. So I really like it so far. Having it open it looks really nice. Let's go ahead and see how can we open this thing. So it seems like you could open it right over here. There. Oh, let's see. Oh, let's see if we can just pull it out. A little bit rough opening. It looks very well sealed, and there it goes, guys. Okay, just by touching it, let's see what I can do a close-up. All right, there we go. Just by feeling it, the material looks and it feels great, guys. It feels soft. I think the whole case is made out of some kind of magnesium alloy, so that's pretty cool. It feels really good. It kind of feels like plastic, but it's not plastic, guys. Oh, it has a nice symbol right there from Asus. Look at all the back vents, side vents. Look, guys, the design is flawless. I love how it looks really nice. You could tell that's a high quality item. Let's go ahead and lift it up and open it. Let's go back real quick and see how that looks. And once you open it, let's open it with one hand. Yep, it opens with one hand, guys. Dude, it looks so tiny. It looks so nice. Oh, the bezels, I love how they look. Comes with a little protector. That's nice. The design looks really nice. Let's go ahead and do a close-up real quick. Look at the keyboard, how it looks. It feels amazing. The screen looks amazing. Everything, guys, until you actually get it with you, you know, you don't know what kind of quality item you have here. It has that nice Ryzen 9 chip, I believe the 4000 series. You know, it has your little, you know, thumbprint button on button too. Guys, I'm really happy. I haven't even tested it out yet, and I'm really happy how this item looks. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's go back up on the video real quick so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's push the screen back a little bit and let's see what it does when you first turn it on. I didn't even know it has power or not. No, I don't think it has power. Nope. Well, guys, I guess it doesn't come charged out of the box. Too bad. I would have loved to actually seen it on for you guys, but you know, like I said, this is just initial impressions, unboxing with you guys. That's what everything comes in the box. It came. You got the laptop, you got the manual, you got the brick. It's nice and small and not heavy either. You know, so it's nice. Good quality item that Samsung has over here. So I'm pretty excited. Go ahead and turn it on and test it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a review eventually of my whole month testing this item. Maybe I'll do it, you know, 2 weeks, who knows, and I'll let you guys know what I think about this laptop. But so far this is good. First impressions, I love it. They are great. It looks great, amazing. It feels really good, and you don't feel like you have something cheap. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and stop right here, and let's go ahead and do the conclusion over here. Alright guys, so we're back. So we just did the unboxing and the first impression, guys, and this laptop from Asus, the Zephyrus G14. It looks great, it feels good, it doesn't feel cheap, guys, and it's a really great design. I love the color white. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that unboxing that we just shared together, and on first impressions, guys. But anything that I told you, that I could tell you right now, guys, it doesn't, I can't even describe the feeling once you have it in your hands. All right, guys, so I'll go ahead. If you guys got any questions about the Asus right here that you want me to go ahead and test, or any specification that you want to see on this, let me know. Put it in the comment below, so when I do the full review and specs on this laptop for my whole 2 weeks or a month of testing, I'll go ahead and do it, post it in the video, and do it in the video so you guys can see whatever it is or any games that you want to go ahead and test on this laptop. So let me guys know. I'll be waiting for your comments. Please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, so subscribe somewhere over here, and let's go ahead and do it one more time, guys. Thank you for watching my video again. Thank you for being patient, and sorry that I just keep talking. Alright, if you haven't done so, let's go ahead and do it one more time. Stay safe, be cool, and I'll see you next time. Ladies.